Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. If anyone new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, bell button click for more updates. And channel complete customizations available. If anyone are interested in customization, please do contact me. I have in real bead customization, so you can go with Katutiga or you can go with silver. So completely both the types of customization is available with real beads. Real bead collections, maybe it's on black diamonds, pearls, corals, rubies, emerald, blue sapphire, or any other type. I have all the real beads, so you can do customize according to your needs and requirement. Even Chetan rubies, Chetan emeralds also I do have. This is a silver. It's a pure 92 point silver with black diamonds, original black diamonds, corals I have used. So this is 32 inches in long, two lines barutte. 3 black diamonds, original black diamonds with coral and silver. Pure 92.5 silver with gold polish. So this is completely pure 92.5 silver. That is hallmark torustha idini. In the back side I'm just showing you the hallmark. In the back hook they'll be given a hallmark. First we will design it, we will make the order in silver, then we will give for polishing. First what they will do, they will do some masking, beads kella masking ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, then they will do gold polishing. They will check the purity and then the hallmark is set. So this is the process in silver. Okay na, real beads alli you can customize it in silver. Okay, this is a very beautiful black diamonds, 3 in size, coral real one, and silver 92.5, 32 inches long barutte, two lines. Look at the closer look. You need not to take 32 inches itself. If you want lesser length also, I'm ready to customize it according to your need. If you want single line also, I'll be ready to do it. This is 3 in size. You can also go for 2.5 size also if you want little thinner in size. Okay, so this is priced at rupees 4,500 free shipping all over India. 4,500 free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested, you can do book your orders. If you take lesser length, the price will be obviously less. Okay na, you can go for 18, 20, 21, 16 inches also. Single line also you can take. So this is only product, it's silver. Rest of the product yadu silver alla. So we will see another design. This is a beautiful purple CZ beads with Victorian pendant. Trending one. Purples are very much in trend. So this is the CZ drops purple color. So this is CZ. So this is actually big in size. This is 7 in size barottido. I have 5 also. Okay, but this is 7 in size. Very neat or clean model. So this is a closer look. Very big, good shine. Original CZs. Okay na, Victorian pendant use madidini. Moissanite stones I've given CZ drops hanging. So this is how the look is. Very excellent model. CZ drop beads antare idana. Okay, Victorian pendant ge pair up madidini. So this completely real beads. Even hanging also CZ drops kottidini. So this is the look. Very nice shine ide adardu. Beautiful shine kanutte. So I will just show you the closer look of the Victorian pendant. The moissanite stones. Nodi ee tara barutte. Very nice model. Hangings kuda CZ drops kottidini. So this is how it is. You can book your orders. These are readily available. Okay. Back chain kuda kottidini. Neatagi clean ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. Very nice, very excellent shine ಇದೆ ಅದು CZ drops though. So this is how it is. Okay. So you can take this. These are readily available. Purple in color. This is priced at rupees 1,950 free shipping. 1,950 free shipping all over India. So next customization one, the same purple beads ali Katutiga model. Okay, this is not silver. This is Katutiga model. Gold mix Katutiga antare. This is 20 inches in long. 20 inches in long. Beads itself is 18 inches ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 20 inches. So 20 inches CZ drops ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತೀಗ model, single line. Okay, this is how it is. Very very neat model. Ma'amge pendant ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, so for pendant attachment ಗೆ they have customized this. So you can do customization in 18, 16, 20 inch, any number of lines and even length you can do customize it. In silver also you can do it, and katutiko also you can do it as per your requirement. So this is the closer look of the CZ drops katutiga work and chandrahara chain back al kottidini. 30 inches in long barutte chandrahara chain and CZ drops purple color. Closer look nodi. Handmade, exclusive handmade collections idu. So this is how it is. 20 inches long barutte. See, 20 inches. Okay, this is purple color. So you can go with another colors also. I have 4 colors. I'll just show you the raw material. This is the first purple color, purple CZ drops. So this is the first one, and also you can go with other colors. This is baby pink also I have. Baby pink CZ drops. You can go with this also with thread model or ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತೀಗ or silver, any type. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬೇಕು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ I will customize it. ಓಕೆನಾ? This is baby pink in color. So next ಬಂದು green, very good olive green ಇದು. Very very beautiful color actually. This is the rarest color in green beads actually. We have dark color, bottle color. This is olive green color, very nice. See, a shine ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಅದರದು. So if you go with kattutig, it looks very nice. Next is orange. Orange is very nice. CZ drops. Beautiful shine ಇದೆ ಅದು, excellent weight ಇದೆ and as well as shine. This is a beautiful black CZ drops, black color, very nice. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ next I'll customize it. So these are the colors. 20 inches ಗೆ this is priced at rupees 899. 20 inches 899. If you want 18 inches 799. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. ಹೀಗೆ support ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, like ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you. Bye. We will see you in the next video.